Since building our first factory in 2000, Dynamic Source Manufacturing has served all our customers with pride. That's why our very first customers are still with us today. DSM has the capacity and state-of-the-art technology in place to meet your high-volume needs with real-time insights. Our state-of-the-art SMT lines include Juki automated material storage and retrieval systems, which safely hold components, ECRA solder paste print process and inspection technology that produce reliable and repeatable print quality every time. Koyoung 3D solder paste inspection verifies every print, ensuring 100% compliance. ASM SX surface mount system that provides high-speed component placement. Heller solder reflow with efficient 9-heat zone convection ovens that reflow heavily populated multi-layer PCBA designs. And Mertec 3D AOI inspection that provide real-time optic and X-ray inspections for quality assurance. Our equipment gives us the ability to offer customers a range of services. From prototyping to high-volume production and functional testing, DSM has the experience, equipment, and capacity to meet your needs. And this lets us serve our markets with exactly the solutions they need every time. Whether it's communications, energy, industrial, automotive, security and defense, or audio technologies, we are here for our customers. We understand that your business runs on commitments to your customers, and so does ours. You can trust that we will deliver for you so you can deliver for them. Challenges like supply chain operations and allocation of parts can impact manufacturing growth, but at DSM, we stay a step ahead of the game. Through long-term supplier relationships and our ability to work through the industry and find various areas of supply, we prioritize supply chain management. It is our strength and allows us to go above and beyond. And we regularly communicate with customers about supply chain needs. At every stage, we connect on how we can address issues as they come up and offer ongoing solutions. Our experienced staff are experts in production, engineering, and customer success. With many serving for over 20 years, they are at the forefront of industry knowledge. We know how to communicate with your team with the highest level of commitment.
DSM has 2 decades experience in the contract manufacturing industry. We have built a successful business by continuing to stay current with the latest technologies, and we have experience building some of the most challenging and leading-edge products in the industry. We are also committed to building a world-class supply chain organization to adapt to the ongoing challenges of the component marketplace. Our goal is to continue to recruit and maintain highly skilled employees, allowing us to build high-quality products for our customers. We need to remain flexible and responsive to our customers' evolving needs so that they can continue to be a leader in their market.